Heartily welcome to Gurudeva e-learning class. Yes, my dear students, what we have learned in our previous class? Yes, in the previous class we learnt about the horizontal subtraction and its two methods, right? Yes, today also I will bring another one beautiful concept. Yes, so now it's a time to recall what we have learned by doing some problems. Are you ready to do? Come to the first one. Children, in the previous class, in horizontal subtraction, we are solving two methods, right? The first one is counting backward method and the second one is counting forward method, right? So students, look here, the first and second problems belongs to the subtraction by counting backward method. Okay, the next, third and fourth, these two problems belongs to the counting forward method. Okay, let's come to the first one. It is 230 minus 5. Yes, now you tell me what are the steps you have to use to solve this type of problems. The first one is you have to fetch the bigger number. Yes, in 230 and 5, which is a big one? Yes, 230 is the bigger number, right? Yes, after the second step is you have to skip count backward or jump backward. How many numbers? 5 numbers. Then you reach the difference between these two numbers, right? 230. Its before number is 229, 228, 227, 226 and 225. So write here 225 is the correct answer. So now come to the second one. It is 196 minus 3. Yes, what is 196 minus 3? We don't know, right? So here you have to fetch the bigger number at first. Yes, in this two, which is the big one? It is obviously 196, right? So 196, before you have to count backward 3 numbers. Okay, yes, 196. Its before number is 195, right? This is the first jump. The next 195, its before number is 194. The next 193. It is the first jump, second jump and the third jump. So after counting backward 3 numbers, we reach the number 193. So write here 193. That is the difference. Okay. So now come to the third and fourth problem. So these problems belongs to our counting forward method. Yes. So in the first problem, 575 minus 569. So here, what are the steps are you used to solve this problem? Yes, first you have to fetch the smaller number. Yes, in 575 and 569, which is the small one? 569, right? So 569 after, you have to count forward till you reach the number 575. Okay? Yes. 516 and after 570, 571, 572, 573 and 574, 575. So here total I use 6 fingers, right? So right here 6. That is the difference between these two numbers. Now come to the last one. It is 230 minus 210. So in this, which is the small one? 210 is the smaller number. After 210, you have to count forward up to 230. 213. Yes, 210 after 211, 212, 213. So here I use total 1, 2, 3 fingers. So this is the difference between these two numbers. So children, so this is about our previous class. So now come to our another type of subtraction, that is vertical subtraction. So my dear students, in this class I will teach about the vertical subtraction and its expanded form. Children, come to our today's concept. It is about vertical subtraction. Already I told. Yes, what is vertical subtraction? Vertical subtraction means you have to solve the numbers by writing one below the another one. ಒಂದರ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. So that is called vertical subtraction. So in vertical subtraction, I am taking a two-digit numbers. Okay, two-digit numbers. So look here, the subtraction of two-digit numbers without borrowing. So in today's class, I will teach about this. So one thing I want to say here, so without borrowing means what is borrowing? So borrowing means taking something from someone. Okay, for example, if you don't have any pencil or a pen, what can we do? We are asking some persons or your friends. Okay, this asking process is there, no? That is borrowing. So here we are taking borrowing means we are taking something from the someone. Means here we are taking some numbers as a borrow. Okay, that is called borrowing. And now come to the first problem. It is subtract 42 from 94. Here they gave the given problem in a sentence. Okay, like this, subtract 42 from 94. You have to write down this by using the symbol of subtraction, that is minus. So how can you write? See, it is subtract 42 from 94. Andre 94 ಇಂದ ನೀವು 42 ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We are going to subtract the number 42 from 94. Okay? So you have to write down the number 94 at first. 94. Next, write down the symbol of subtraction minus. Later, write down this 42. 94 minus 42 is nothing but subtract 42 from 94. Both also right. Okay. So after the next step is you have to write these two numbers in a separate columns of ones and tens. Children, look here. So here the first number 94. Okay. In subtraction, you always write down the first number, means this 94 at the first. Means you always write the bigger number at first. In this two, which is the big one, 94 is the big one. Right? So write the 94 at first. Okay? See here, in 94, this 4 is in ones place and the 9 is in tens place. Okay? Yes. Which is a small number? That is 42. So in 42, 2 it is in ones place and 4 is in tens place. Okay? Yes, next you have to write down the symbol of subtraction minus in the left side. Okay? So don't forget to write the symbol. Okay? So in the 94, how many ones and tens are there? Already I told 9 tens. So write here 9 tens plus how many ones? 4 ones. So write here 4 ones. Next, in the number 42, how many tens are here? 4 tens. So write here 4 tens plus how many ones? 2 ones. Okay. So here I expand the given two numbers. Okay. Yes. Now you have to subtract this. Yes. Already you know you always subtract or add the numbers from our right to left. Means ones after tens. Yes. In the ones place, what are the digits are there? 4 and 2. Right? Yes. What is 4 minus 2? In 4, you have to subtract 2. So for the subtraction, you have to use your fingers or also you have to draw some lines. So first I will show on by using lines. See, which is the big one? 4 minus 2, right? So write 4 lines. In 4 lines, you have to subtract 2. Means you have to subtract out 2 lines. 1, 2. So how many lines are, means how many standing lines or a single lines are left here? Only a 2, right? So that is the difference. So write here 2. Okay. So otherwise in 4 you have to subtract 2. 1, 2. After subtracting 2, how many fingers are left here? 1, 2. So write here 2. Both also correct. So now come to the tens column. 9 minus 4. What is 9 minus 4? So in 9 you have to subtract 4. See, look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers are remaining here? The remaining fingers are 5. So write here 5. So what is our difference? 52 is our difference. So write here 52. Yes, what is our difference? 52 is our difference, right? So in the number 52, how many tens and ones are there? So 5 tens. So write here 5 tens plus 2 ones. 2 ones. So look here, this is the expanded form of the given problem. Children, this is the second problem. It is subtract 13 from 56. So here also they gave in a sentence wise. You have to convert it by using minus symbol. Yes. So which number are you writing at first? Yes. You have to write down the number 56 at first. It is 56. Next minus, write the 13 here. So it is 56 minus 13 is equals to dash. So here you have to subtract the number 30 from 56. 56ರಿಂದ 13 ನೀವು ಕಳಿತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Okay na? Yes. So next step is you have to write these two numbers in the separate columns of ones and the tens. Children, in 56, 6 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place. In 13, 3 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. Next, put the symbol of subtraction minus. Come to the ones column. 6 minus 3. Yes, what is 6 minus 3? In 6, you have to subtract 3. Look here. 1, 2, 3. See, after removing 3, how many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3. So, 6 minus 3 is 3. Next, come to the tens column. 5 minus 1. Yes, what is 5 minus 1? In 5, you have to subtract 1. How many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 5 minus 1 is 4. What is our difference? 43 is our difference. Is it clear? So, I showed how to solve this. You have to expand it in your home. Children, it is subtract 48 from 89. Which number are you writing at first? The number 89. So write 89 minus 48. 89 minus 48 is equals to what? You have to find out the difference. In 89, 9 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place. In the number 48, 8 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place. Next, put a symbol. Now, come to the ones column. It is 9 minus 8. Yes, what is 9 minus 8? In 9 you have to subtract 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 9 minus 8 is only a 1. So write here 1. Next, 8 minus 4. What is 8 minus 4? So in 8 you have to subtract 4. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write down here 4. So what is our difference? 41 is our difference. Okay. So now this problem also you expand it. Yes, my dear students. So this is about subtraction of two-digit number without borrowing. So now I will move to the textbook activity. So all of you open your textbook and open the page number 108. Look here. Here is a page number 108. Here is an exercise number 3.2. I am reading the headline. Look here. Solve the following. Children, this is an exercise number 3.2. The total number of questions are 5 here. The first one I will show to you. In the same way, you have to solve the remaining 4 problems. Okay? Yes, it is 94 minus 61. Okay? First, you have to subtract the digits in ones column. Yes, 4 minus 1. Yes, what is 4 minus 1? So, in 4, you have to subtract 1. How many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3. So, write here 3. The next, 9 minus 6. What is 9 minus 6? So, in 9, you have to subtract 6. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3 fingers are remaining. So, write here 3. So, what is our difference? 33 is our difference. So, in the same way, you have to solve the rest of 4 problems. Yes, my dear children, along with that, I will give some extra work to you.
Children, solve these 12 problems in your assignment book. Okay?
Yes, my dear students. So, in this class, you learnt about the vertical subtraction. Okay? So, in that we are solving the two-digit numbers without borrowing. Means, so here we are not taking any borrow from the next place value. Right? So, my dear students, I hope you all enjoyed this class. In the next class, I will meet with a new concept. Okay, students? Bye.